Hey guys, King Cold Beer here. Want to wish everybody a happy Easter. Happy Easter of 2022. Pop blue ribbon. 2022 Easter. Yep. Go. Cheers. Happy Easter. Yep. Today is April 17th, 2022. I'll show you. See? There it is. April 17th, 2022. Got exactly 1 month left as of tomorrow before I have to go for my last test. My last driver's test. Countdown begins. Well, tomorrow, whenever time we gotta start driving on the highway some more, get some more highway practice. Oh, that's back there behind. Cheers. I won't lie, it's pretty chilly back here. I won't lie, it's cold back here, guys. It's not warm back here at all, period. Yeah, load my empties up in the beer wagons. That's all they're good for, is hold on to my empties. Beer wagons. Right there. What are you doing? You know, if you guys can see Winter. Yeah, there she is. There's little Winter. I don't know what she's doing. Right there, Winter. Chicken Winter. Hello. Hello, girl. Can I pick you up? Yeah, I can. There you go. Say hi, Winter. Winter says, hi, Bernie. Don't worry, Bernie. I still don't want to turn you into a tombstake. Yeah, she wants to turn my Uncle Bernie into a tombstake. Right? Right, girl? You want to turn him into a tombstake, don't you? Alright, we're gonna get out of here. It's too cold back here. I'm freezing my butt off. But yeah. Told you I got the beer wagon going. Yeah. The natural tarp boar. Oh my lord. I got the go kart set up. My little beer wagons. It's hard to believe I built this wagon over here. Just think I built that. I built that by my own hands. Good old saw, nails, bolts, screws, you name it. Well, it's already getting empty. Started up in it. Call it the Chevy wagon. The Chevy beer wagon. Hello. Hi. Let's go where it's warm, guys. Too cold back here. Alrighty, guys. It's back. So everybody out there, a happy Easter. They said. I don't know if I like these plastic things like that. I find it makes it so much harder to open the freaking beer. It drives me nuts. Alrighty, guys. As you can tell, I am standing in front of my old tin shed. Cheers. Oh, it certainly is beautiful. I gotta do something real quick for you guys. Oh gosh. What a Sam heck of little bird's doing up there? How about a bird fight on top of our chimney? Holy Christ. Oh, it's Easter. Easter, Easter. Time sure flies. That song. Yep, we got a kid taking out, wake up at 25, and next thing you're an adult. Where the hell did time go? Time flies when you're party naked. Oh, I'm just being surrounded by birds, ain't I? Must be family. You heard that saying when family members pass away, they come back as an animal? Kind of like that freaking bird that landed on the hood of my mom's car. So, yeah. So I got a video clip of that too. I'll show you guys. Not very often that happens. Man, I'm gonna have to go upstairs and grab a coat, guys. It is getting cold right now. It was nice, but it's cold. And the sun's way over there, though. Alright, we're in this video. Bye. Hello, buddy. Hello, birdie. I like birds. You know, I'll probably make a viral video right now. Oh, if a bird landed on my shoulder. That'd be funny. Lands on my shoulder and he nips me on the nose and then flies back up the tree. And I'd be sitting to hold my nose going, oh my gosh, you got a nosebleed. Damn bird. It comes back, lands on my shoulder again, nips me on the nose, flies back up the tree. That'd freaking hurt too. That would hurt. birdie gives me nosebleed. Ow. I'll title that in this video. Play a little bit of clickbait, why not? A little bit of clickbait don't hurt anybody. I just had a crow fly in my head go. What are you saying? You're saying cock, cock, cock. Don't tell me your problems. Cock, cock, cock. I didn't know. Oh yeah, I guess birds do have one. Okay, whatever. There's your cock, cock, cock. Fucking bird. Big fucking black crow too. Probably fly down and swoop the hat right off my head. Oh, there's the dog. Buddy's out here. Careful, buddy, there's some big black crows flying around out here. They might try to pick you up and take you up to the air and drop you. I seen a black crow try to pick my cat up too. And alright guys, I'm not wearing a freaking dress under my shirt. It's my muscle shirt. Just looking like that. I'm just doing something. Fuck. There we go. Better. Yeah, the sun's up, now it's starting to cool down. Holy shit. There's my doggy. You're out here, you know the black crows are out, eh? Howdy. Howdy. Buddy, what's doing? Buddy real. Careful out here, there's black crows flying around by the way. They might try to pick you up, take you up to the sky and drop you. And then when they're done, they go caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Sounds like they're saying cock. I can't tell what they're saying. Get the marbles out of your mouth so I understand what you're saying, you dumb bird. You know, I was sitting down on a deck, a couple friends of mine, and one friend said, you know, my deck's getting old. I said, no, my deck's really old. And the other guy chirped up, my other friend chirped up, no, my deck's really old. You know, each other's dicks are getting old. And we need a lot of work done to our dicks. Dicks. Oh. But guys, that's it. Happy Easter, and I'm like, out of here.